Sallallahu alaihi Muhammadin wa alihi wasallam. Assalamu alaikum students. Let's look at this exercise. Number 1, Mr. Hassan. Raise your hands. Don't speak in advance. Yes, what the Mr. Hassan is you? He's angry with us. Now it's on. It's on, okay? What the Mr. Hassan is? Stay away from my wires and screen. Somebody told me that Mr. Hassan is a subject, I think so. Huh?
No.
Who told me? What the Mr. Hassan is? You? From Miyawali? Subject. The daughter from Miyawali. Oh my God, subject. See, you know how confused I am by your answer. See? Is what is what is this? Please don't speak like this. Yes?
Linking word.
What is the short form? LV. And our? What the hour is? What the hour is? Our new principle. What the our new principle is?
Subject.
As C. Clear? That is?
Completing the subject.
Don't speak in advance, please. It's a bad impact. You don't know. Not you know that. There may be many people who are listening it. Anybody may come to the channel and listen. And they will see, and they will listen how efficient you people are. How efficient the class is, how disciplined the class is. So you are representing yourself, okay? So that is Mr. Hassan is subject. Is linking verb. Our new principle is subject complement. And why it is subject complement? Yes, you?
Because it is completing the sentence.
It is completing.
Subject.
It is completing the subject, Mr. Hassan. Clear?
Yes.
So we may ask, if I say Mr. Hassan is, you may ask me a question, what Mr. Hassan is, sir? Or who Mr. Hassan is, sir? Let us know about Mr. Hassan. Until and unless I write this one, our new principle. So this is completing Mr. Hassan. Clear? Next one is his friends. That is his friend, then card, then him, a fool. Clear? Yes, you, Richard? Whatever it is, okay, please. What is his friends?
Subject.
Subject. Clear. Next you? Card. 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 Linking verb. Clear? Him, you?
Indirect object.
Him, indirect object. A fool. A fool.
Object.
Object complement. Clear?
Yes.
Why him is indirect object? Who will tell me? This is technical. Why him is indirect object, Iman? Action of calling is directly affecting him. That's the reason him is indirect object. Clear?
Yes.
And a fool, why a fool is object complement? Who will tell me? And what is the object that it is completing? What the object it is completing? Completing the object him. Clear?
Yes.
Next one.
Sir, please may you.
That is next one is the boss.
Please may repeat the point number 32.
32. Okay.
He seems sad.
He seems and sad and today. Clear? Divided into components. He is subject, seems is linking verb, I think so.
Yes, sir.
And sad is SC and
Today OC.
adverb. I think so. Adverb or object complete?
Object complement. It's complete the sentence.
No. It's today belongs to time. Clear? It's adverb. Clear?
Okay.
And the sad is subject complement. Done over? Okay, sad is subject complement. Let me complete it, okay? Quickly. So that time is getting over. Finished. The boss subject has, you can say, HV, main V, MV, and envelope, direct object, and what is? That is for you is indirect object. Clear? Or you is indirect object. Clear?
Yes.
Action of living is directly affecting the envelope and then indirectly affecting you. Next one, please sit down. Either you sit down or leave my class. Okay, next one is she handed over the book to me. Again, she is subject, handed over is verb, and the book is direct object, and me is, I think, indirect object.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
She is subject, action of handing over is directly affecting a book and indirectly affecting me. Clear? If you have any question or queries, please let me know. Please let me know if you have question or queries. So I will be uploading the previous videos in the group. Clear? So that you may understand the previous point. Thank you very much. Have a nice time.